Hello, if you have a woodworking shop and you don't have anyone local to sharpen your blades, well, then you're going to be like me and you have to send them off. And I like fresh, sharp blades, so it happens quite often. Now, in this short little video, I'm going to show you how to save a bunch of money on freight and shipping charges, yeah? Stick around, check it out. I have a lot of saw blades. I have about 30 saw blades, 10 inch, 12 inch, and I have to get them sharpened like everyone else, right? And so what I've been doing is I've been sending them off to a place in New York called Dynamic Saw. They do a fabulous job of sharpening. This is my favorite blade, the Woodworker 2. I have 7 of these and one in a 12 inch. And I use a medium flat rate box with a special plywood box that's made to fit in a medium flat rate box. Let me grab it, hold on. Boom, medium flat rate box. This dude slips inside there. And with this, I can fit quite a few 10-inch blades and a few router bits here on the side. Of course, this was made with box joints, and these were all made on the Pantorouter. Fabulous machine for box joints and lots of other joints, as you already know. This is another box that I made using the Pantorouter to create these box joints. These gas cans, they have round bottoms and they don't sit in the truck very well, so I made this to carry them. Actually, I am getting a little going off on a tangent here, but box joints for a saw blade box is a really good way to make a very strong shipping box, right? So a flat rate box will give you the, here we go, the inside dimensions. There you go, and you can size your box accordingly. And I just use a lot of glue and a 1/4 inch bottom screws. So that's permanently affixed. And then of course the lid, this dude here goes on there. And I actually offset the screws so that this lid can only go one way, right? Then I use these, I believe they're called a lath screw, and that works exceptionally well. Once that's all buttoned up, you slip that inside this flat rate box. Boom. You can load these up pretty heavy. I would say that with all the blades in this, 15 to 20 pounds, but you can go up to 70 pounds for the same price using a medium flat rate box. That's fabulous. Now, how about the 12-inch blades? Well, I have a solution for that as well. So this parallelogram shaped box holds 12-inch blades. I can put about 4 of those in there and even a couple of 10-inch blades with cardboard in between. So all I've done is shaped a medium flat rate box by cutting the tabs. Once I have this made, I think this is, I don't know, maybe 15-degree angles or something. And with that, grab this tape, 12-inch blade, 12 inches at an angle, boom. Or you could use a large flat rate box, and I believe it's 12 1/4 by 12 1/4 by 6. It's going to cost a little bit more than shipping a medium flat rate box, but it'll give you some height, thusly allowing you to stack even more 12-inch blades inside. You know, for a one-man shop, I can handle sending 3 or 4 blades, 12-inch, and 5 or 6 10-inch blades at a time. That's plenty for a one-man shop. All right, so this is the large flat rate box that I was thinking of that might be more ideal to send the 12-inch blades. So you would make a plywood box to fit inside this. It would be parallelogram shaped, similar to the other one I showed you, but you could probably get away with maybe 5-degree offset, just enough to be able to get the 12-inch blades inside there. Of course, it would be a little bit more to ship than the medium flat rate box, but still very inexpensive. Now, one caveat I need to add is that I don't know if all post offices will accept these boxes because they have been altered, but mine certainly does. And coming back from New York, they also accept them and ship them back. Now this box, it's made pretty crude. I really made this in an attempt to see if the post office would even accept it, which they have over and over. I think I've sent this 3 times now. Actually 4 times. You see I just put a lid. There's cleats in here for strength because this is 1/4 inch, assembled with 1/4 inch, so it needed another way to provide the strength. Of course, this is just a prototype. I do plan on making a stronger box. It'll be the same size, just made differently. Maybe. I mean, this thing's working, and if it's in a cardboard box, it seems to stay together pretty well. So, yeah, man. Little carpenter's triangle there, whatever you call it, so that this lid goes back in one position. With that, let's see, this goes this way, right? Fold in the tabs. Boom. That's how you do it. So this plywood is made the maximum size to fit in a medium flat rate, and then I just use cardboard between all the blades. Yeah. Something like that. A few router bits on the side. Some ultra foam. Bubble wrap. And I have another piece of cardboard here. Me scusi. Boom, nice and secure. Incidentally, sorry about the tractor noise in the background. I live by a sod farm. Oops, he forgot one. Why won't this go in there? Now, I certainly realize that this won't pertain to everybody. Some people will just be able to drive down the road to get their blades sharpened, but like me, I have to ship mine out. This is a fantastic solution. A simple rectangular flat rate box for your 10-inch blades and a parallelogram shape for the 12-inch blades. Anyway, hope this helps somebody out there. Thanks a ton for watching.